Now, Iran's most senior military commander has visited a secret underground army drone base, and the general says that the sky is the limit when it comes to improving the country's drone capability.
The army is enhancing its drone power at a rapid speed. New drones capable of carrying out various missions are being manufactured in Iran. Coupled with the facilities of the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, this has created two powerful drone arms for the country.
Major General Bagheri says that only samples of Iranian drone power are on display in the underground base, and they just represent a tip of the iceberg of the Iranian military prowess. He also noted that the Islamic Republic never underestimates threats and always remains vigilant. The top general got a first-hand account of the Iranian Army's cutting-edge capabilities and the development of different types of military, combat, and long-range drones. Images released show the Kaman 12 drone with a flight endurance of 12 hours. It's capable of carrying 4 domestically produced bombs and missiles. With a secret base becoming operational, Iran has turned into the top drone power in the region.